Hey, hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince once again. So friends, today I'm going to touch upon a very important aspect, and many of them are worried about the present drawdown in the famous 920 straddle strategy. Okay, if at all you don't know what is this 920, I think it's almost very famous now. I almost uploaded 1 year back, and almost all channels are having this strategy now. But because of this viral, or you can say because of many people using it, you call it stop loss hunting or you call it operators managing it or whatever it is, the strategy is in a drawdown phase as of now. Okay, there are many reasons for that. We all know that market has completely changed. The mechanism of market has changed after this September. Once the margin was completely removed, the character has changed. But then what is that we have to do to make sure that this strategy comes to profit once again? So in this video, I'll be explaining to you few tweaks which you can do so that you stay ahead from the crowd. You remain different from the crowd. Just remember that if you follow the crowd, you will just go just behind the crowd and you can't be different. You can't differentiate between them. So then you need to do some kind of tweaking. You need to do some kind of twist, or you can say use little bit of common sense, and then you can make good money out of this strategy as well. Okay friends, so stay tuned till end of the video. You will be getting full updates, and people those who have still not joined this channel, this is a channel for the working professionals. Lots and lots of strategies and intraday and all those things, so you can subscribe to this channel and also follow for my regular videos as well. Okay, so by saying this, first of all, this 920 strategy you have to understand. Just to explain to you the simple concept, we sell both call and put at 920 or whatever it is. I usually do it at 10 o'clock, and then we keep stop loss on the call leg as well as the put leg. So these days what is happening is market is going up and then our stop loss is hitting, and instead of continuing the trend, it is reversing and coming and hitting the other stop loss as well. Thereby both the sides stop losses are getting hit and our losses are increasing. Okay, so now what's the solution for this? There are two things which you can do. First, let me just give you an idea. Let us go back to 10-20 years back, and you know that in Bollywood movies, I'm trying to give you an analogy. Okay, so in Bollywood movies, you would have seen that if there are multi-starers, if there are more than one hero and two hero, in the last when there is a fight with the villain, you can see initially there will be one hero who will be fighting, and then later if they'll show in such a way that the hero gets caught, or the hero, in our case it's nothing but stop loss, the hero gets caught by the villain, then you can see the second hero enters. And if the second hero also gets caught again, then you can see the third hero enters. Okay, if everything is fine, you can see all three heroes are fighting together. So let us try to bring this concept into our 920 strategy as well. So what is it I am suggesting to you is that don't bring in all your lots, all your quantities together at 920. You can stagger it. Okay, so first of all, if you are having less capital, say for example you are trading only with 1 lakh, and then what do? You can't enter at different times. So then what you can do is you have to divide your day into 2 parts or 3 parts. That is, your same capital is being used for 2 times or 3 times. So let's say morning the market was very volatile, so our stop loss is hit. So what we do is we do the strategy 2 times, morning once and afternoon once. So then what happens if morning stop loss hits also, the afternoon one will recover the morning loss. I will show you the full back test. I'll show you the full performance. Let me also explain to you that I have done the back test, and also I'm doing it live trade. I'm also using the algo as well, if in case you are working. So I'll show you that as well. So all those are available. So just stay tuned. Just have little patience. Let me just explain the concept. Hope it is very simple. I mean, it is very simple. Hope you are able to understand it. Okay, so if you're having less fund, if you are just trading with 1 lakh or something, then what you can do is start at 920, close it at around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock as how you feel comfortable, and again start a new one at 1 o'clock and then end it at 3 o'clock. By this what happens is, even if your morning stop loss hits, then your second one will recover your losses and make some little bit of profit. If both the times stop loss hit, then again you can't expect anything. One more thing what you can do is, morning what you started at 920, you can continue till 3 o'clock. Parallelly start second one at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. This is one more method which you can adapt, provided you need to have capital. Okay, so if your capital is less, what you can do is, with the same fund, you just have to start morning, close it at afternoon, again start in the afternoon and close it at the evening. If you have more funds, what you can do is start in the morning 920, complete it till 3 o'clock, again start one more at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, whichever you are comfortable, and close it at 3 o'clock. So I have reached to a level, my funds are a little high. So what I do is I do for every 1 hour. So I start one at 9:30, one at 10:30, one at 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. Like that, I keep multiple straddles. By the what happens by this is that in case even if the first straddle stop loss hits, the second one and the other will recover it and somehow. Third one also same thing. Third and fourth. So it all depends on your capital and what kind of risk you are ready to take. Okay, and one more thing which you need to keep in mind here is the transaction cost. Yes, transactions will be there because if you're using the same capital 2 times and 3 times, transactions will increase. Second thing is the difficulty in managing the trades. Again, you have to re-enter in case if you're working it is difficult. So then I would recommend you to please use the algo. Algo is already available. I'm also using the same algo. I'll just show you a demo of that as well. So first what I'll do is I'll take you and show you the performance. Only then you will be able to understand. Okay, this is a very good website called as stockmark.in, and I'm just logging in. You need to give the password. Okay, yeah, it's a very good website, friends. So you can test lot of strategies, everything in this. They have started recently something called as basket. So this is really going to help you to add 2, 3, 4 kind of. See, you can see 9, 20, 10, 12, 30, all those things. I'll explain to you. By the way, first let us see the normal strategy which we all are doing, that is the short straddle. Okay, so I selected short straddle, and then as always we are keeping stop loss of 40% and stop loss of 40%. Let's say we are starting at 9:30 and we are closing it at 3:20. Okay, so I am just shorting. So let us see for from 2019, 20, 21, so almost 3 years. I am just doing the back test. It hardly takes, so you can see it took 3 credits and 1 credit is around 10 rupees or something. So in case if you want to do back test and all those things, you can use this website. It is very good. Okay, so now past 2 years performance, you can see the profit is around 3,70,122. Now I'll just open a duplicate one and then just show you the method which I told you. For that you have to come to basket. Okay, I'm starting a new basket. Okay, I just have to. Okay, so let us say this is called as multi straddle. Options, call and put, we are selling, ATM, add position, put also add position. Okay, so friends, what happens is again you can't keep 40% for both because your risk also has to be managed. So I'm just reducing it little here by 25% because with the same capital you have to be very careful. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm starting at 9:30 and closing it at around 12:30. This is the first one, 9:30 and closing it at around 12:30, and I'll also keep a strategy stop loss of 2,500. I don't want to lose more. Okay, so you can see one is done at 9:30. I'll just add one more. This what I'll do is I will start at 12:30 because I have little fund. I'm just giving an example of a person who's having little fund. So what he should do is start at 9:30 and then again close it at 12:30 and again restart one more at 12:30. Okay, so you can see 2 strategies I have added now. The same way you can add 3 or 4 or 5 and all those things, and you can do your testing. So let me see the same back test for the same fund. Mind you, the same capital is used here and the same capital is used here as well. So let me run all the strategies now. I just want to show you the difference, the comparison. Always do your back test. So once you do your back test, you will get a lot of confidence. Yes. And also if you feel like doing paper practice, please do your paper practice as well, and then you can do your trading. Okay, now look at this beauty. Same capital, same 1 lakh was used for this as well. You can see the profit is 3,70,000. Here you can see the profit has increased to 5,65,000. Almost you can see the profit has increased. Now other aspects regarding the win ratio, all those things you can fine tune it by doing all the adjustments. That is how you trail your profits, how do you lock your profits and all those things. So this why I am trying to just show you is I am just trying to show you a big picture that what are the possibilities which are available, what all you can do. Just don't have to blindly follow the same thing. You can do thrice also. Okay, let me show you that as well. Okay, uh, where did it go? Yeah, multi-straddle is here. Okay, so one is at 9:30, 12:30. What I'll do is I'll add you 3 and show you. So for 3, first this 9:30 will start. Let me keep it for 2 hours. Okay, starts at 9:30 and gets over at 11:30. Second one, what we'll do is we'll start at 11:30. Again, friends, you have to understand it's all game of probability. Yeah. So as per probability, you just have to make sure that whenever you win, you make it big, and whenever you lose, you make it small. Okay. So second one is third one. I'll start at 1:30 and close it at 3:20. Okay. So now again same 1 lakh capital, what I am doing is 9:30, 11:30 and 1:30 as well. So let me run all the strategies now and see, check. By the way, this files, in case if you want it, you can just WhatsApp on my number, my backend team will send it to you, or in case if you want to test it for yourself, you can go through the website and do all your tests, it's hardly anything. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see almost 3 is completed. Yeah, with 3 you can see the slight difference only, it is 5,69,000, but with 2 we had 5,65,000, almost the same. With 1 you can see we had 3,70,000. So you can see 2 is idle, again 3 you can see, or you can go for 4 and all those things, but 2, as you can see, always has an upper hold compared to 1, and also it reduces all the transaction costs and as well. Yeah. So play with the stop losses, try to adjust the stop loss which is comfortable for you. Always make sure that you don't lose more than prescribed limit of your capital. I would say 2.5% per day is a big amount. Okay. Oh yeah, and forgot about this, about the algo. Yeah. So this is the algo which I use. You just have to enter your API key and then the TOTP. As of now, Zerodha allows TOTP. Okay, so it's a very good algo. You can get in touch with my team and collect the developer's number and purchase in case if you need it. You can set the product type and all those things. Everything is customizable, whatever you want. You want to trade in Nifty, you want to trade in Bank Nifty, you want to enter, you can see here multi time frame, you want to enter how many hour time frame you want, you can enter. You can set the time, at what time you want to start and what time you want to end. You can see here 9:16 to 9:59, then again you can start at 10 o'clock, restart at 10 o'clock and again close this. Okay, so how many lots you want to trade, what's the maximum loss you want to keep. Okay, it's a very beautiful algo. It's almost 100% customizable, Excel based trading, in the sense it's Python coded, but Excel interface. So by this you can code, you can, yeah, hedges also, in case if you want to keep hedges, that also there is facility for keeping your hedges setting, how much far you want to keep, 2000 far or 500 far. Yeah, maximum lots as of now is 48, so that is set. So it's a very beautiful algo, and in case if you're working, and also I would say in case if your capital is little high, that is around 4-5 lakhs, only then go for algo, because you need to pay kite charges, the API charges, and also for the algo costing and all those things. So don't go if your capital is small, but then in case if you're working and you need this algo, I would say it is very, very useful. So this is how I do multi-strategy. I keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I keep like this, so I don't have to look into it, I don't have to manage anything manually, everything runs automatically. You can lock your profits, all those facilities are available in this algo as well. Okay friends, so this I had bought it from a coder, from a developer, so I can refer it to him, nothing else. I have no other what to say responsibility about this algo. I am also just a service, but taking a service provider. Same with the case with website as well. So it's a very good website. Please do your own back test in case if you are not comfortable with this data, but I do my test manually as well. I use Obstra for doing all the tests manually as well. So I do automatic, I check auto data backtest from this stock mock. After that I do it manually bar by bar with Opstra as well. So this gives me a lot of confidence. Okay friends, so this is the tweak I recommend to you all. Please do it. It will be really helpful to you all. So this is the tweak which I told you, which is going to be really helpful for you all. So I recommend you to please use it. And friends, sky's the limit. It's don't think always from one single point of view. Now I just gave you an idea that you can use it in different time frames. Do it 2, 3, 4. Many other things are there. In last video I told you, you can use a separate fund in case if you're having 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or something. One lot trade with this kind of strategy, another one lot trade with combined stop loss. That also will help you a lot. So in case whenever the market is moving sideways and very volatile, that combined stop loss will really help you. And whenever market is trending, this kind of strategy where we keep fixed stop loss also is going to make very good profits. Okay, so sky is the limit. Use lot of combination, and please understand, stock market is a game of permutations. You just have to make sure that you have an extra edge. Just by having an extra edge, you can make a lot of money, provided you have the discipline to trade daily the strategy. No skipping the strategy even a single day. And if you really can't control your emotions, then I would say please use the algo, and also you install the algo in your cloud. Amazon is providing free cloud these days. Install in the cloud. It will be very useful for you, even if you're working, even if you're traveling. You don't need an internet connection, nothing of that sort. You just have to double click, open the algo, start the algo. That's it, done for the day. It will do everything in the background, and it's best suited for working professionals as well. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 8765 25. And also one more thing friends, I've been getting a lot of requests. I've been doing a lot of live trading together with my workshop students. So many were telling me to please also upload the videos on YouTube, all the live trading videos, the trade which I do for my bread and butter. If you want me to upload on YouTube, just please do put in the comments as well. I would like to share you all the strategies which I do, and also I would like to do live trades, post the trades which I'm doing, so that you learn about adjustments, especially in options, because adjustments is a skill. It can't be taught so easily. It can't be just taught in 1 or 2 days. So I thought, in case if you want to share my videos, my strategies to you, I can share it on YouTube, my daily trades which I take. So please do put in your comment sections and let me know in case if you would be interested as well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.